I can't believe this. We've bought like 40 eggs and we don't even have one tarantula.
This is Hocus. The display card shows one. And we're not leaving here until we get it.
We've got 2 quarters left. Maybe the last 2 are both spiders. By the magic of Sniz, a spider it is! Not! Come on and go for it, Fondue! You've got lucky lasties!
Who's the boy, huh? Huh? Lucky boy!
Crack that, Mama!
Yasu!
Fondue, wait! Look, there's an address printed on the bottom of the egg! Cut me an oversized wedge! Humongous!
Shouldn't we use the front buzzer?
No! Let's be naughty! Besides, what can happen?
Now, what can I do for you lower-classmen?
We depleted a whole machine and didn't get the spider.
As advertised?
We demand spider justice.
In good time, stout youthman. But first, what would you say to a tantalizing tour of my novelty Nirvana, Woo! Thanks for coming. Be sure to enjoy Sinclair products.
Enough of this. It's payback time. Roots, it's locked.
Fondue, help your little buddy. No, Snoosh.
Turn here, you buffoon. There's something I'd like to show you. What are those wretched objects, Beetleston?
Those are item C381, sir. Plastic spiders.
I know, you robot. I'm the one who asked you to dispose of them.
Throw 'em out? But, Mr. Sinclair, tests show that kids love these the best.
That's why we don't put them in the machines, you underling. So kids will keep coming back hoping to get them.
Oh, man, that is deep.
I'll destroy all of these recreational arachnids myself. Beetleston, allow the door to pound your buttocks firmly on the way out.
Come on. Oh, Mommy, thank you.
Now, to transmogrify plastic into profit. Let the melting commence.
Fruit basket. Sniz, I'm here for ya. Fruit.
Totally sick, right?
I decree you rapscallions have caused enough mayhem for one day.
Oh, yeah? Well, we're going to tell the media about your scam.
Is that so? Then I guess I'll have to turn you both into sissy combs.
Ooh, sissy combs.
Imbroglio. Get off of me!
Only under one condition.
What'd you get? What'd you get?